If you only spend your ad budget on lead gen, you may have a gambling problem.
You got to know when to hold 'em.
Here's why. Now, think about what your buyer sees when they search for air conditioning repair near me. First up is LSA, with the cherished Google guaranteed verification. Then they see 2 to 3 paid ads where you, or your competition, have 160 characters to entice the sale. Next up is the Google Map Pack, where you have an equal fighting chance to get the click. Now, if your prospect has made it past these first three heavy hitters, you could take your chances against the monster aggregators like Yelp and Angie's List for some organic positioning. At any given moment, 7% of the market has a need for your services. Now, after you take out the people who can't afford to buy a hot dog and people who've already got a chosen provider, you're left with the woefully undecided. And as you wade into the sea of sameness that is Google, you have a tiny chance of buying your way into those prime positions that get you that first click. You just have to be the sucker who paid the most. Now, since nobody knows or cares about you, if you do get the click, you do have to hope that your CSRs answer the phone right away. Now, when they do, let's pray that your barrier to entry is low enough to get your tech in the door. In the absence of an impression about your business, you'd better be cheap, or you have to have some pretty darn good salespeople. Otherwise, it's another $0 ticket for you. Don't gamble your business on unbranded lead gen. Win the jackpot with a brand that they know, like, and trust before they hit the Googles. Train them to type in your domain name. That's how you win the game before the game has even begun.